Hello everybody, it is Zoe and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas. This is number 4, I believe. Every other day in December I am going to be uploading a video, which is so exciting. I've already had so much fun doing this and it's just so nice to have time to do that. Today is my last day of exams. I have one exam I have to do today. It is my calculus final and I cannot wait for this to be over. I only had 3 exams actually this week, but it's just taken so much effort to do this one. Luckily though, this is all open note. I literally just have to print it out and I have all day to do it. He actually gave it to us yesterday, but yesterday I was taking a physics exam and I really just could not bring myself to take another exam in the same day. So I'm just going to start my morning by doing that. I'm literally in my pajamas and this fluffy jumper because it's actually so cold outside. I mean, it's not that cold, it is still Texas, but it's 45 degrees or something, which is cold. I'm going to go ahead and start my exam. Woo! Okay, I'm so tired, my brain is dead. It's quite a lot later now. That test actually took me a lot longer than I was expecting it to, but it's all done now. I haven't submitted it. I'm going to probably look over it a little bit more later on today, once I've looked at it with new eyes, I suppose. My brother actually bought Chick-fil-A for lunch and he got me some, so I'm going to go down and eat that. I feel like I deserve it. I got a peppermint milkshake thingy that I'm very excited to try. So I've never tried this particular flavor of milkshake, so I'm going to give it a go and see how it is. It's pretty good. I approve. It definitely tastes like peppermint bark. I'm not sure how I feel about the peppermint flakes in it. But I mean, what else did I expect? But there is little bits of chocolate peppermint bark as well in there. That's really good. So I've just been wasting time doing absolutely nothing, sitting on my bed, watching TikTok, watching YouTube, and now I'm going to go waste even more time by playing a game of pool because my dad keeps beating me and I don't like being beaten particularly. So I'm going to go downstairs and do that while I procrastinate finishing off my exam. This isn't going the way I hoped. I spent the day literally doing next to nothing. I bought a piano app to try to reteach myself piano because I know how to play piano. I just needed new things to play because I've basically run out of other things. I'm sick of always playing the same thing over and over, so I got an app instead. And now I'm going to sit and go back through my calculus exam and hopefully finish it and submit it and make sure it's all correct and everything because I just don't want it hanging over my head anymore. Once I've done that, I want to buy some stickers off of Redbubble as a treat to myself for finishing my semester. Officially done with my exams. I literally cannot believe it. I finished my calculus thing, I pressed submit and I was like, okay, now what? But I went ahead and bought those Redbubble stickers I was saying I wanted to. I'll show you guys, I'll give you a sneak peek of the ones I bought since they have pretty long shipping time, so I'm not sure when they'll actually come in and if I'll be showing them. So these are all of the stickers that I got. Some Villanova, AGG, NOLA, and then lots of Disney ones. I got so many Disney ones, oops. This is Training for the Ballet Potter, which I'm actually so excited about because like Harry Potter plus ballet, my favorite things. So I just bought a bunch of those because I've wanted those for so long to put on my naked laptop. Now I'm just going to sit and keep on editing this video that I was working on. This is my decorating for Christmas one. And I'm just going to sit and get all comfy and cozy and do that. And then I might try to work, no, I will try to work out at like 7. Yeah, but hopefully I can finish this in that amount of time because it's almost done. It's just like putting in titles and transitions and stuff like that. I finished editing my video and I just set it to export. I still need to do the thumbnail for it though, so I'm going to do that after I work out. I'm going to do a super quick workout by Maria Koreva. If any of you guys are dancers, especially like ballet, and you want a good workout, hers are the best. Like, I love them. They always make me so sweaty and tired and sore, but they're so good, and like I know they're targeting the right groups because she is like a principal dancer with the Mariinsky, or maybe not principal, she's like a first soloist or something. But yes, so I'm going to be doing that. I just have it pulled up on YouTube, and yeah, so we're gonna be very quick because my parents literally just left to go get dinner.
This is very for cats. You're like, please.
I spent most of the rest of the afternoon doing absolutely nothing. We had dinner and then we went and watched a movie. We watched Flushed Away, which is honestly peak cinematic artistry. I love that movie. It's so funny, like so funny. I am going to now just hop into bed. I finished uploading my video also, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to go check it out. It was my decorating for Christmas one. And yeah, I guess this is when I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment below your favorite Christmas tradition. Yeah, and make sure to subscribe if you're not already and follow me on social media, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!